Welcome to our channel where today we dive into creating effective Airtable dashboards. Step by step for complete beginners, welcome to our channel where today we dive into creating effective Airtable dashboards. Step by step for complete beginners. Dashboards in Airtable help you visualize your data clearly and make faster decisions. Let's start from scratch. First, open your Airtable base that contains the data you want to display. Make sure your tables are organized with clear fields and relevant records. Second, click on the plus icon next to the tabs at the top to add a new page designer, or use the Apps feature to add a dashboard interface. Third, select the type of widget you want to add to your dashboard. You can add charts, summary bars, record lists, or custom filters based on your data. For example, adding a chart widget will allow you to visualize totals or segmented data at a glance. Fourth, customize each widget based on the fields in your base. Choose the data source, filter the records if needed, and adjust display options such as colors and labels to match your preference. Fifth, arrange the widgets on the dashboard canvas by dragging and resizing them so that the layout is clear and efficient. Try to place the most important information at the top or in the center for easy viewing. Sixth, save your dashboard and share it with team members or stakeholders by setting appropriate permissions. This way, everyone can access real-time insights within Airtable. Finally, revisit your dashboard regularly to update widgets or add new data views as your project evolves. This ensures your dashboard remains a powerful tool for tracking progress and making informed decisions. With these steps, you can create a professional and dynamic Airtable dashboard that suits your workflow perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials like this.